Yeah, hi, dear students. Today's class will be about the engineering mechanics. Let us discuss about the basics of engineering mechanics. In engineering mechanics, the applications are just shown. These are few applications in which the mechanisms are used. In all these three kind of mechanisms, we are using engineering mechanics. To deal with the above situation, we need to know about the engineering mechanics. Mechanics is the foundation of most engineering sciences and is an indispensable prerequisite to their study. Mechanics is the science which describes and predicts the conditions of the uh, motion of the forces. So, engineering mechanics deals uh, with mechanics of solids as well as the mechanics of fluids. The mechanics of solid is further classified as mechanics of rigid bodies as well as the mechanics of deformable bodies. Mechanics of rigid bodies is further classified as statics and dynamics. Dynamics is further classified as kinematics and kinetics. The deformable body mechanics is defined as the theory of elasticity as well as the theory of plasticity. Similarly, the mechanics of fluid is classified further into ideal fluid, viscous fluid as well as incompressible fluid. Here, the engineering mechanics is basically about the kinetics, statics as well as the dynamics. Statics is the body at rest, and the dynamics is a body in motion. The dynamics can be further classified as kinematics as well as the kinetics. Kinematics is the study of motion without referring the forces. For example, the relation between the position, velocity, acceleration and time comes under the kinematics. Kinetics is the relation between the unbalanced forces. It means we are considering the forces, that is changes in motion. In the kinematics, we can say how fast, how far, and how long it takes. But in the kinetics, the forces were involved to produce the motion will be considered in the form of weight or the aerodynamic drag. There are some 6 fundamental concepts of mechanics. First one is the space. Space is associated with the motion or the position of a point which is given in terms of 3 coordinates measured from a reference point or the origin. The second one is the time. Time is the definition of an event which requires specification of time and position at which it is occurred. Mass is a character which is used and which is comparing the bodies. Example, response to the Earth's gravitational force. And the fourth one is the force. Force is a push or it is a pull. An object at rest needs a force to get in motion. That is, moving object needs a force to change its velocity. The fifth one is a particle. Particle has a mass but size is neglected. When a body is idealized as a particle, the principles of mechanics reduces to simplified form. Since the geometry of the body will not be considered and it is not concerned in the analysis. The last one is the rigid body. Rigid body is a combination of large number of particles in which all the particles remain at a fixed distance from one another before and after the application of load. Here the mass and size of the bodies are considered when analyzing the forces. So let us discuss about the remaining forces and their analysis in the next classes. Thank you.